This section covers automotive basics, including engines, fuel and exhaust systems, brakes and steering, electrical components, and routine maintenance. Let's begin. Threaded bung welded into exhaust pipes is for mounting a blank sensor. A. Temperature. B. Pressure. C. Oxygen. D. Speed. Correct answer. Oxygen. The device that converts 12-volt DC to high voltage for spark plugs in modern ignition systems is the blank. A. Distributor cap. B. Spark plug wire. C. Ignition switch. D. Coil-on plug module. Correct answer. Coil-on plug module. A radiator cap raises the boiling point of the coolant by adding blank. A. Heat. B. Pressure. C. Air. D. Additives. Correct answer. Pressure. The purpose of piston rings is to seal the combustion chamber and blank. A. Transfer spark. B. Control oil on cylinder walls. C. Mix fuel. D. Actuate valves. Correct answer. Control oil on cylinder walls. Ignition timing is measured in degrees blank. A. Before top dead center. B. After bottom dead center. C. Of crank throw. D. Of cam lift. Correct answer. Before top dead center. The device that mixes gasoline with air before it enters older engines is the blank. A. Carburetor. B. Catalytic converter. C. Radiator. D. Turbocharger. Correct answer. Carburetor. A turbocharger increases engine power by forcing blank air into cylinders. A. Heated. B. Cooled. C. Compressed. D. Humid. Correct answer. Compressed. Which automotive component converts the up and down piston motion into rotational motion to drive the transmission? A. Crankshaft. B. Camshaft. C. Flywheel. D. Connecting rod. Correct answer. Crankshaft. A component that reduces toxic exhaust gases to less harmful substances is the blank. A. Catalytic converter. B. Muffler. C. Exhaust manifold. D. Oxygen sensor. Correct answer. Catalytic converter. The component that converts reciprocating motion of the brake pedal into hydraulic pressure is the blank. A. Caliper. B. Master cylinder. C. Booster diaphragm. D. Wheel cylinder. Correct answer. Master cylinder. The suspension component that allows the wheels to pivot for steering while supporting weight is the blank. A. Axle shaft. B. Steering knuckle. C. Tie rod end. D. Pitman arm. Correct answer. Steering knuckle. Engine detonation is also commonly known as blank. A. Pre-ignition. B. Knocking. C. Surging. D. Flooding. Correct answer. Knocking. On a front-wheel drive car, excessive vibration under acceleration often indicates a worn blank. A. Driveshaft universal joint. B. Engine mount. C. CV axle joint. D. Brake rotor. Correct answer, CV axle joint. A thermostat that is stuck closed will most likely cause the engine to blank. A. Misfire. B. Leak coolant. C. Overheat. D. Stall at idle. Correct answer, overheat. A dead spot in electric power steering is most often caused by a faulty blank. A. Rack housing. B. Tie rod. C. Steering wheel cover. D. Torque sensor. Correct answer, torque sensor. A clogged cabin air filter will most directly reduce blank. A. Engine horsepower. B. Brake responsiveness. C. HVAC airflow. D. Fuel octane. Correct answer, HVAC airflow. The OBD2 system stores diagnostic trouble codes in the blank. A. Alternator. B. Ignition coil. C. Engine control module, ECM. D. Instrument cluster. Correct answer, engine control module, ECM. A catalytic converter will not function efficiently until it reaches approximately blank. A. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 300 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 600 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Correct answer, 600 degrees Fahrenheit. In a manual transmission, the blank disconnects engine power so gears can be changed. A. Flywheel. B. Clutch. C. Input shaft. D. Selector fork. Correct answer, clutch. The disc brake component that clamps the rotor when the pedal is pressed is the blank. A. Caliper. B. Shoe. C. Drum. D. Booster. Correct answer, caliper. The fuel system component that keeps fuel pressure constant in a multi-port injection system is the blank. A. Fuel filter. B. Pressure regulator. C. Fuel rail. D. Fuel tank cap. Correct answer, pressure regulator. The relay that sends high current from battery to starter motor is the blank. A. Voltage regulator. B. Ignition coil. C. Alternator. D. Solenoid. Correct answer, solenoid. The threaded fasteners that secure wheels to hubs are called blank. A. Rivets. B. Lug nuts. C. Cotter pins. D. Dowel pins. Correct answer, lug nuts. A torque wrench is used to tighten a fastener to a precise blank. A. Length. B. Angle. C. Hardness. D. Force specification. Correct answer, force specification. A V6 engine arranges cylinders in blank banks set at an angle to each other. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 6. Correct answer, 2. Diesel engines rely on blank to ignite the fuel air charge. A. Spark plugs. B. Glow plugs. C. Flame front sensors. D. Compression heat. Correct answer, compression heat.